Hey everyone, this is a video of things that could possibly come in handy for you when you're having an explant surgery, and shout out to D. Hicks and Dr. Rankin of Aqua Plastic Surgery for being incredible. I cannot thank them enough for the care and the expertise and the patience they have shown me, and thousands of other women who have had explant surgery with Dr. Rankin. So very grateful. Please go check him out. He is in Jupiter, Florida. Aqua Plastic Surgery once again. Okay, so let's start off with button-up pajamas. I got these from Marshall's for $15, and they are so cute. It's like a dusty pink color with gray, and I have a couple of other ones, but I really love this one. It's really soft, and it was $15. Hello. These are from Amazon. I will link them for you. They are so comfy. The nurses actually wanted to steal them, and I told them that I could not walk barefoot, and then they got mad at me and busted my stitches. No, I'm just kidding. So I have my Bubba cup, and you probably don't want like a Stanley cup or anything that's gonna be like super heavy for you. So make sure that you think about, you know, the weight of things with liquid in them. So this came in very handy, and it's still coming in handy. Then over here, I have my compression stockings because I'm prone to getting blood clots. I have my extra bra, and the brand for this is actually from the doctor's office, and you can purchase extra bras at your doctor's office. This one is Carafix, and you probably don't want anything with an underwire. Well, you definitely don't want anything with an underwire. This is great because the straps are adjustable, and you can clip your, oh, you got a little stain there from obviously little body fluids. Then we have antibacterial soap. You probably want to wash yourself with it, you know, to get the bacteria, you know, prior to surgery, or, you know, wash your hands or whatnot. Then hair powder has been my savior because I haven't washed my hair in a week and a half. I'm kind of not supposed to lift my arms and do that. So if you have somebody that can help you wash your hair, great. I'm by myself, so I have been addicted to hair powder. So I have my feminine wipes because you're not going to be able to shower for 48 hours. So this can come in handy too. You have extra band-aids for when they take out your drains and you're kind of leaking a little bit. You have extra band-aids, bandages to wrap yourself. The other ones will get stretched out after a while, so it's always good to kind of change them out. And I have some extra tape in case mine pops up before the time that it's supposed to. A pair of scissors to do that with. And then I have my grabber. If you've seen my other video, my other surgery, this is great because you're not going to be able to lift your arms for a while. And so make sure that you grab one of these. It comes in very handy to grab things off the counter, to turn on light switches, whatever you need. Scratch your toes, whatever. Another thing, and don't laugh at me, is my Nana chair. It's my Thea chair that I love. This actually lifts all the way up to help you get off the chair. I have a side table here because you don't want to be reaching for things. You want your phone charger to be at a reachable distance. You can eat off of this table. You can put all your stuff here. You want some comfy blankets. I have not been able to sleep on a bed because you can't lay down. So this recliner actually came in extremely handy. I have been trying to get on the shades for the past few nights. It's kind of hard for me to get on and off. I pee a lot at night, so That's not really handy for me, but if you can sleep throughout the whole night, this will be great as well if you have a sofa that has a shades on it. Other things to consider would be your vitamin intake and your protein intake. I chose the Premier Protein that has 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of carb, and I love the strawberries and cream one. The chocolate one is really good as well. These are delicious, grab and go. I chose bottle of water because I don't have a water dispenser, so water cooler, water filter. This is a lighter way to have your water intake. And big bottles of water can be really heavy, so you don't want to be lifting any weights. I love the Juven packs, although they're not reachable to a lot of people because they're quite expensive. I got a good deal on these from Amazon, and I'll link below. They were on sale, but a box can run you up to $80. But this is an amazing wound healing therapy powder. You have your Tylenol. You don't want to take anything that's going to thin out your blood. You have zinc, grapeseed extract. You have Arnica Forte, and make sure that it's the Forte because it has the bromelain in it. I have extra collagen, vitamin C, and of course a pill divider just to make sure that you keep everything organized. And then what would be really helpful as well is just for you to pull all of your appliances forward to a reachable height. This is my air fryer. Over here I have my coffee maker and, you know, soap to wash dishes and my coffee, all at reachable distances. My microwave is really high, but if you have the means to get a smaller microwave just for the time being, if you can buy a used one, or if you have a friend that can let you borrow one so you can put it at counter height, this will help you a lot in the long run so that you don't have to reach up there. It's only going to be a couple of weeks anyway, but make sure that everything is at counter height. I've lowered everything to drawers, and I have a couple more drawers here that have things that would be typically in the cupboards up there, and since I can't reach, then I will make sure that you know, I lower them down. I also use tongs to open up, part of my accent, to open up faucets, to turn on you know, the stove, and you know, to grab things maybe that I forgot, you know, to pull the cabinets, you know, to grab things that are counter height. Another thing for you to consider would be a wedge pillow, or in this case, a wedge teddy bear. This was a birthday gift from my brother a few years ago, and it came in really handy. I actually brought it to the hotel with me, the Homewood Suites, Dr. Rankin's preferred hotel, where he has a special rate for his patients. Actually has wedge pillows that patients have left there, but I found that my teddy bear actually was way more comfortable and softer. And then I propped up a pillow from the hotel. I actually put it up here like this, and one down here. That way I was nice and comfy, and I wrapped the legs around me like this, and that way you can, you know, feel really comfy when you're fresh out of surgery, and you know, you just want to sleep and relax. Anyway, so that's it for me. I hope this was helpful, get you a little more prepared and ready for your surgery. Again, look up Dr. Rankin of Aqua Plastic Surgery, and you will not be disappointed, ladies. He's the king of explants.